Hey, first grade. Welcome back for another game of bingo. So, if you were able to print out this piece of paper every time you hear the sound, you're going to cross it out on your paper. If you were not able to print this out, you could say, no big deal. You're just going to point to the letter, keyword, and sound that you hear me say. Ready to play? All right, the first one is can you find that letter keyword sound? If you're pointing here, you got it. Like horse. Can you repeat? Like horse. Awesome. Get ready for the next one. It sounds like this. T. Are you pointing or did you X out this box? Nice job. Let's say t like tooth together. Ready? T like tooth. Awesome. Here comes the next one. It sounds like this. Eh. Did you put your finger on or cross out this box? Nice job. I said like igloo. Can you repeat? Like igloo. Great. The next one is eh. Eh. Are you pointing to or did you cross out this guy? Nice job. I said like egg. Can you repeat? Like egg. Great. The next sound is er. Er. Are you pointing to or did you cross out this box? Kiss your brain. I said like rocket. Can you repeat? Like rocket. Awesome. The next sound is qu. Did you cross out or put your finger on this box? I made the qu, like queen sound. Can you repeat after me? Qu, like queen. Awesome. That's a fun sound. How about, ooh, this is going to be tricky. Ready? How about the A sound? Where do you see that on your paper? Are you pointing to or did you cross out this box? Nice job. I said A like acorn. Can you repeat? A like acorn. Great. This next sound sounds like this. Zzz. Ooh, so buzzy. Zzz. Are you pointing to or did you cross out this one? Awesome. Z like zebra. Can you repeat? Z like zebra. Great. This next one is mmm. Can you find the sound? You got it. It's right here. Like moon. Can you repeat? Like moon. Great. The next sound is, let's see who I can trick with this one. Where do you see the sound U? U. Do you see it here? Do you see it here? I see it. Did you put your finger or cross out this box? Great. I said U like unicorn. Can you repeat? U like unicorn. Awesome. All right. The next one sounds like this. O. You got it. O is over here. O like open. Can you repeat? O like open. Nice. Okay. Let's see. How can I trick you with this next one? The next one sounds like this. Yeah. Yeah. The y sound is right here. Great work. Can you say y like yo-yo? Excellent. Thanks for stopping by to play another game of bingo with me. Did you get bingo? If you did, kiss your brain. Can you say all those sounds in the row where you made bingo? I'm sending you love. Great work.